We're making a terrible decision. We're driving to Pennsylvania today in Rat Rod 1. It is really freaking far. It's even worse. You know it's gonna rain. Saturday and Sunday, it's gonna be absolutely terrible. This thing is really crappy in the rain now with these big wide tires. But we're gonna go see Kenny Hauk. We're gonna have an excellent time. Welcome back. This episode is doing 5 miles an hour down back country roads. So there was a massive wreck on the interstate. We had to get off of 81. We only had like a 40-minute drive left. Now we have like an hour and 40-minute drive left. It's been a really long day, but this has been a really beautiful drive. You know, sometimes a story is better than actual travel. You know, we've seen some really cool stuff today. A lot of landscape. Whatever. I'm ready to get out of the car though. I'm tired, I'm hot. Got a lot of cool stuff planned this weekend, but we gotta get there first. So we made it to Hauk Designs. Last night it was dark and we worked a little bit. Now we're just kind of checking some things out. It's big Peterbilt. This thing's so cool.
Whatsoever in picking out your real name. But you can decide your bomb name all by yourself.
Yeah, this is the part that you want to film, obviously. What? We've touched nothing for no reason. We just want to start pouring fuel out. It makes no sense. And we really can't weld with dripping fuel. So things have gone bad. Very bad. We broke this fuel line loose and we're letting it drain.
It won't stop draining.
It will not stop. It just keeps going. It's a fuel line that goes to the top of the tank, and it's still just pouring. It's been pouring for the last 30 minutes, and honestly, we're just running out of time. This is wash only, so we're just gonna put it back together fuel on, we'll blow some air at it, and try to get it as dry as possible. And we're gonna go on and finish our last few welds in there to get at least the link bars on and set this thing on the ground. Sucks, I'm not gonna lie. We're only here tonight. We're trying to get it done, and now the stupid baker here is kind of kicking our butts. Doing what we can though.